Hello, everybody. Hello. How are you? I hope you're okay. I'm here with Mr. T. Hello, Mr. T.
Hi, boy. How's it going?
It's okay. How are you?
I'm fantastic, man.
Okay. Great. Welcome, everybody, to session 13. Thanks for supporting us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the videos. And also turn on the notification bell because we upload one video every single day and you don't want to miss it. Let's start. So today we want to practice a nice conversation and also a speaking technique. We have lesson D, conversation strategies. Are you here for the concert? Are you here for the concerts? Do you like concerts?
What mean concert?
Concert is a place that you go and listen to live music.
Concert. Oh, yeah. I don't like concert. No. I don't go to concert.
Okay, okay. Well, cool. Do you like listening to music?
Yeah.
Great, me too. Me too. Okay. Okay, I want you to look at the picture and the conversation. Here we have the picture and this is the conversation. Please look at the picture. Tell me, where are the people? Where are they?
They are in the park.
Yes, they are in the park. Or maybe in the university, right? Because they are students. So they are in the park or university.
University.
Before we start, I want to tell you the meaning of this word, stranger. Stranger. Stranger means a person that you see for the first time. You are not friends, you don't know each other's names, you see them for the first time. Means you see them for first time. Okay?
Yeah.
That's the meaning of strangers. Now, these two people, Alicia and Adam, they are strangers. It means they are not friends. They don't know each other. Now I have a question for you. When you meet somebody new, okay? When you meet a stranger, new person, what is one thing that you say to that person? For example, if I meet a stranger, I say, hello, nice to meet you. This is something that I say. Can you tell me what other things we say to strangers?
Hey, where are you from?
Where are you
What's
from, right?
your phone number? Or
What's your number?
what city are you from?
That's right.
Are you
Okay.
are you a student here?
Very good. Yes, that's right. So we can ask some information. Are you a student here? What's your phone number? What's your name? These types of things. Now, in part B, we have this conversation. We want to listen and answer these two questions. Look at the questions, please. Who's on vacation? Who's on vacation? Alicia or Adam? Who's a student? And who's here for the concert? There are three questions here. We want to listen and answer. Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's go. Go,
Let's
go, go,
let's
go.
go. Go, go, go. Yes, okay. Let's start.
Page 8, Lesson D. Are you here for the concert? 1. Conversation strategy. How about you? B. Listen. Who's on vacation? Who's a student? Who's here for the concert?
Hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thanks. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. Are you here for the concert?
Yes. How about you?
Well, yeah. but I'm a student here too. So, are you on vacation?
Yes, I am. By the way, I'm Alicia.
I'm Adam. Nice to meet you. Well, have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Okay, let's go back to the questions. Who's on vacation?
Alicia,
Yes, okay. Who's a student?
uh, all student.
Paul, his name is Adam.
Alicia and Adam together are student.
Okay, let's see. Adam says, I'm a student, but Alicia is not a student, so it's only Adam. Okay?
Only Adam?
is the, yes. And who's here for the concert?
Alicia.
Yes, she is here for the concert.
Yeah.
Are you here for the concert? Yes. She says yes. Okay, cool. Well, now, this time we want to practice the conversation together. Well, we have Alicia and Adam. So you can read Alicia, I read Adam. Okay?
Okay. Let's go.
Let's start. Yes.
Hi, how are you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thanks. It's beautiful day.
Yeah, it is. Are you here for the concert?
Yes, how about you?
Well, yeah, but I'm a student here too. So, are you here on vacation?
Yes, I am. But the way I'm Alicia.
I'm Adam. Nice to meet you. Well, have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Great. Let's look at the conversation strategy, part C. Notice how Adam and Alicia say, how about you? To ask the same question. So look at this question, how about you? This is an important question because when you ask this question from people, it shows that you want to get the same information. For example, I say, are you here for the concert?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. How about you? So we want to get the same information. Now, look at the example here we have in the book. How are you doing? Pretty good. How about you? So we ask the same question. We want to know the same answer, the same information. Now, can you find other examples in the conversation?
Are you here for the concert?
Are you here for the concert? Yes.
Yes,
How
how about
about you?
Alicia, how are you doing? Good, pretty. How about you?
How are you doing? How about you? That's right. Well, let's go to the next part. Let's look at the instructions. Part D, complete the conversations, then practice with the partner. We have 5 conversations here, as you can see. I want to give you some time to complete the questions or the answers here. Let's do number 1. Number 1 is, hello, are you here for the festival? Yeah, I am. Here we need a question. What is it?
Yeah, I am. How about you?
How about you? Yes. So the answer for number 1 is, how about you? Okay? Please look at number 2, 3, 4, and 5 and complete the answers.
Number 2, hi. How are you doing? Good, thanks. How about you? Good, pretty.
Pretty good. You can say pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Okay. Number 3.
Number 3, are you a student? No, I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. How about you?
Yes, again, we use how about you. How about you? Number 4.
Number 4. It's a beautiful day. Are you on vacation? Yes, I'm. Are you on vacation? No, I'm
Here,
a
are you on
student.
vacation?
Yeah.
You can, because here we have the same question. You can say, how about you, right?
Again, how about you? Or are you a
Yes.
student here? No, I'm a student here. I don't know.
Are you on vacation? She says, yes, I am. How about you?
How
Are
about
you
you?
on vacation? No, I'm a student. So number 4 is, again, how about you? Because it's the same question. We don't repeat the question in the conversation. We can say, how about you? Number 5.
Number 5. I'm here on business. How about you? No, I'm here for
Yeah.
vacation.
Yes. So number 5 is, I'm here on vacation. It's an on vacation, right? Let's check the answers again. Number 1, how about you? Number 2, pretty good. Number 3, how about you? Number 4, how about you? And number 5, I'm here on vacation, or I'm on vacation. Now, let's practice the conversations. Number 1, I read A, you read B, please. Hello, are you here for the festival?
Yes, I'm. How about you?
Yeah, me too. Number 2, you read A, please.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good.
Number 3, I read A. Are you a student?
No, I'm a teacher. How about you?
I'm a teacher too. Conversation 4, you read A, please.
It's a beautiful day. Are you on vacation?
Yes, I am. How about you?
No, I'm a student here.
All right. Number 5, I read A. I'm here on business. How about you?
No, I'm here on vacation.
Nice. Well, have a great vacation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We have one question for you. Please write your answers in the comment section. We will check it. The question is about you. So I say, I'm an English teacher. How about you, Mr. T?
I'm a student. How about you, viewer? Dear viewer.
I'm a student. How about you? Please write your answers in the comment section. We will check it for you. Thank you so much.
Bye.